you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Sips by for July. Do you want to see what teas are in my box this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my July Sips by just arrived, and I love getting this box because I get to try new teas and they're always so good. If you don't know about Sips by, I do have a code. Crafty5 will get you $5 off your first month's box. This box is only $15 a month and it has free shipping, so that makes your first month's box only $10 to try out amazing teas. Sips by is an Austin-based startup founded by a small group of tea lovers who want to have discovering tea be fun, personalized, and affordable. They have a profile that you choose, so you can say if you like caffeinated, non-caffeinated, green tea, black tea, sweet teas, this teas. You tailor your profile based on your tea likes, and that is how they customize your profile. I don't think I've ever seen anybody get the same exact teas, maybe one or two that are in them, but the entire box I have not seen so far. Two people have the same box because again, it's tailored for your specific profile, which I like teas in general, so I have mine pretty much open so then we can see a large variety of different teas. Now you get 4 teas per month. They're chosen based on your unique preferences, and you can make 15 plus cups of coffee with that. So basically that's $1 a cup or less depending on how many cups that you get to make. Let's go ahead and see what we have for this month. And that's sipsby.com. Enjoy your teas. And there we go. They give you your card and it says made for Tracy, because again, it's with my profile, and it goes over the different ones that are in here and it tells you a little bit about them. And then here are the teas. One thing that I really do appreciate is they give you this little bag right here, which is a bag of tea bags. So like, for example, this is a loose leaf tea. This one is another loose leaf tea. If you don't have anything to put them in, then you're like, what do? They have you covered. They give you these little bags right here, and it has Sips by on the actual little pull string. You get to put your tea in here, pull it, make your own little tea bag, which I do appreciate that they do think, what if we don't have something to put the loose teas in? They got you covered. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and I'll just start with these 2 that I already kind of pulled out. This says lemon, cayenne, cleanse, tart, and fiery detox. Oh, this is David's tea, and 1 to 2 perfect spoons. This is low caffeine. So there is that. So let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, that smells really good. I smell a lot of like lemon. What is a lemon? I would like to know, what is a lemon? I smell a lot of lemon. That's what the tea looks like. Yay. Okay, so the lemon cayenne cleanse is apple, white tea, lemon pieces and peel, carrot rose hip peel, lemon peel, chili peppers, sunflower blooms, natural lemon flavoring, low caffeine, with tart lemon and a hint of cayenne pepper. This cleansing white tea has a bright kick that'll leave you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to seize the day. So that's why I'm getting all of that lemon, because it has a whole lot of lemon and it smells amazing. Yes, it smells amazing. I can't wait to try that. So next we have here is a tropical passion iced tea. Indulge in this pure cold brew tea experience with this refreshing and unique blend of green tea and herbs, spices, and flowers. green tea, cinnamon, orange peel, hibiscus, sativa, fennel, spearmint, and black pepper. That sounds amazing. So this one right here, it is a low caffeine. Try cold brewing this refreshing and unique blend of green tea with herbs, spices, and flowers. Make a single cup or pour the whole bag into a pitcher and refrigerate overnight. And that's what I do. I'll put these in my Teamy tumbler or my Teamy pitcher. I'll put that in there. I'll let it sit overnight. The next day I have amazing iced tea. Oh my goodness. This looks amazing. Look in there. Look at all those little beautiful chunks. There's flowers. There's all kinds of stuff. I love when tea looks just so good like that. That is so good. It smells really good too. So I can't wait to try that in a cold brew. Yay. Okay, so next we have in here, there's 4 of these. This is cinnamon rose. Cinnamon rose. There's that right there. This cinnamon rose is caffeine free. It is a sacred plant in India known as the queen of all herbs for its restorative and spiritual properties. This delicate, harmonious blend will soothe your senses. It's like I never feel my arm move, but my arm moves. Sorry. So there's that. I can't wait to try that one too. And then here is an English breakfast. English breakfast, high caffeine. That says the high caffeine Ahmed Tea is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. Wake up with a quintessential British cuppa. And that is a black tea. English breakfast. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in my box. Again, it's tailored to my profile. So we have the English breakfast tea. We have this cinnamon rose tea. I cannot wait to do these as iced teas. I'm gonna, even though this one says iced tea, I think this one I'm gonna do as an iced tea as well because I love making my iced teas and having. So that is amazing, especially when there's 0 calories. Yes, thank you. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Let me know what you thought. Do you get this box? Would you like to get this box? Don't forget, Crafty 5 will get your first box for only $10. Again, I like being able to try out different teas every month, and it gives you a good variety for the month to hold you over until next month comes. So I can't wait to see what my profile brings me next month. So stay tuned for that next month. And yes, definitely let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world. If you haven't done so already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, and then you can see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.